No! Stanley Cup is so much better than anything else.
I have a lot of Stanleys, I know.
Stop. Those stunning UGC aren't real. Neither are the people. Just choose a product, face, location, and type a short prompt. Few seconds.
So, TikTok made me buy this, and I honestly didn't expect much at first, but after trying it, I totally get the hype. It's super easy to use. Well, I'm not a real person, but I look real enough to shoot full commercial campaigns. You can dress me, move me, change my vibe, and I can even recreate any trend on social media. You can also drop me into any location you want and give me any product. Basically, I'm a fast, flexible model that you can use for a content creation and ads.
So in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to build your own custom AI avatar with any appearance you want. Force it to mimic any viral moment or repeat a TikTok trend. And make it sound like 100% human with any emotions you want. And for all those things together, we're gonna use just one website. All these people you've seen so far aren't real, but they are real enough to run a full-scale commercial campaigns. It's a full copy and paste system, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to replicate my exact results. No experience, no camera, and zero equipment required. I even share with you my exact prompt and step-by-step instructions in the description box below absolutely for free. There I've collected all the tools and information that you will need to follow this tutorial along, so make sure to open it up before we start. And once you're ready, let's dive in. So first thing we gotta do is head over to the Higgsfield AI. Link on it you can find also in the instructions. It's basically a website, and here in the right upper corner you can choose sign up or log in, and I simply choose the second option. It's easier for me. Here you can see the main page, and in the left upper corner we're heading over to image and selecting the option create image. Here we'll see our feed where all our generations will appear after you generate them. And first thing we gotta do is to create our base model with which we're gonna make our video. So for that we're gonna use a model which called Nano Banana Pro, and you can find it here in the lower frame, simply selecting it, and now we have to use this frame. We're opening up our instructions. Here you can find all the steps, but since I make a tutorial, we make it faster. We're finding this prompt number 1 to create our influencer, and here I can describe any appearance I would like to see, any appearance I want for my AI avatar. You can choose woman, man, you can choose blonde or dark hair, so basically whatever you need, you can describe in a few words. For example, I want to see a blonde girl in mid-20s. Once I did it, I fully copy and paste the whole prompt. As you can see, it's really long here, and by the end of it, you will see the picture like this. So I simply choose copy and being back to the Higgsfield. Since we already choose our model, I simply click in this frame and paste the prompt I already created. Here we can choose as well aspect ratio. For example, I want to choose 9:16 because I want to make a social media format for our video. Then I choose a quality, and I would recommend you to use 4K resolution because this way you will get the best quality image. And once I'm ready, hit generate. We're waiting a few seconds, and as you can see, our model is ready to see. It looks super realistic, super natural, the lighting is soft, but the only thing I want to correct is a little details in her appearance. I already said that I want to see a blonde girl in her mid-20s, but let's clarify it a little bit. I directly write it the exact words I'm thinking of it. Nothing complicated. I put here girl in mid-20s, big blue eyes, pink puffy lips, long wavy hair, and a gentle smile. I think that should be enough details to modify our model a little bit. And as you can see, our picture is ready. Let's compare it. It's exactly the look I wanted to achieve, Instagram look. Since I like my second model a little bit more, I click on the top upper corner and save this picture. Then I delete this prompt because we don't need it anymore, and we choosing our background. Now it's the time to choose environment for my model. For example, I would like to choose this little forest with the green nice field with the sunny weather. So we're simply choosing this picture and a saved picture of our model that we like and combine them together here in Nano Banana Pro. Then I'm gonna type a simple prompt, just like I think with my own words, nothing complicated is here. For example, place the model from image 2 on the background from image 1 and add a selfie angle because I want my model to hold the phone. So let's choose the quality. I can choose 9:16 the aspect ratio and 4K resolution. Let's see what we got. And as you can see, our model is perfectly consistent, absolutely same appearance, same hair, same t-shirt, and the same face expression. This is exactly what we wanted. That's why I'm saving this picture. And now I provide it here to Nano Banana again. And I wanted to have this product, for example, this pink prime bottle. We combine those pictures together and ask Nano Banana to make model on the image 1, hold the pink bottle from the image 2. And the extra thing I want to write here down is not to change any details in the model's appearance, which is also I do with the basic simple words. After I did it, I hit the button generate and let's see what we have. As you can see, all the text and all the information on the bottle is absolutely consistent. It's the exact bottle from the picture that we already provided with our model and AI avatar we already created. This is perfectly consistent character that you can place in any environment you want, and as I said, you can give it any product. For example, let's try to apply on our character this aloe top, but without changing anything else. So we want it still to hold the product, but just to change the t-shirt, because currently it's a gray and I want to match all the colors in a pink. Put pink aloe top from image 2 on the model from image 1. Hit generate once we are ready. I recommend you to choose the same aspect ratio and the same quality so our model is not changing between the scenes. As you can see, our model is absolutely same, in the same position with the same product, but already wearing a different top. Actually, I liked much more with a gray t-shirt, that's why I'm saving this picture, and now we're gonna animate our character. For animation, we're going here to the video and choosing create video. Then you will see this flow here, and it's super simple. We just add our image, choose the preset, and get our video done. Here, I recommend you to choose the Google Veo 3.1 model because this is by far the best model for generating videos. And here in the left corner, we see two things like start frame and end frame. Here we provide our image, end frame is not necessary, that's why I put only one picture. And then I type a simple prompt like model is walking and looking into camera straight. She's saying, I don't know, let's do something generic from the TikTok like, wow, actually I didn't believe that, but this drink is so refreshing, I love it. This is what we want our model to say. In the other settings, I'll recommend you to choose just the quality. For example, I'll choose a little bit higher one, and then the aspect ratio, I want to match my provided image. That's why I choose the duration, and once I'm ready, I hit generate. So our video is already ready, so let's see it together.
Wow, I actually didn't believe that, but this drink is so refreshing. I love it.
I actually don't know what to say because it looks so real, and even I would see that on social media. I would never doubt that it's a real human because it sounds like a human, it moves like a human, and nothing looks suspicious in this video. That's why we're saving it, and now I'm going to show you how you can repeat any TikTok trend or Instagram reel. So basically whatever you want, you can even film your own video up to 30 seconds and then force your AI avatar to replicate those emotions and the motions that you are showing in a video. For that, we are going back to the main page. For that, we click here Explore, and in the left upper corner, you'll see here Unlimited Kling Motion Control. We need this exact function. Here in the library, you can already see a few examples of the persons which are moving. So for that, I will choose just maybe already the ready one, just to make it faster. I'm choosing this girl, and she's appearing on the left, and then I provide a picture of our AI avatar. Then I choose the quality. As I said, choose better all the time the high one because the results look much better after all. All other settings we don't need, so we just hit generate and wait till our video is ready. Once it's ready, it's appeared here on the right side, and let's see what we got. Our AI avatar perfectly replicating all the motions which we provided in our original video. That's why it's a perfect path to repeat any video or any trend you would like for your avatar. So this is the simple workflow that you can repeat with any model you want, like man, woman, it doesn't matter which gender you're even choosing, because you can apply on it any clothes and any product and make it move however you want. So I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.